83 of chapter 3. On the death of Jalal, a party of zealots went in a body to the Parwana, explaining to him that the new practices of music and singing introduced by Jalal were innovations, something outside the religion is what they really mean, altogether contrary to the canonical institutes, and begging him to use his utmost endeavors to suppress them. The Parwana called on the learned Mufti of Konya, Sheikh Sadruddin, and consulted him on the subject. The Mufti's answer was, "Do nothing of the kind, listen not to such biased suggestions. There is an apostolical saying to this effect: a laudable innovation introduced by a perfect follower of the prophets is of the same nature with the customary practices of the prophets themselves." Now, it would be referred to in the same thing, but anyways, the Parwana resolved, therefore, to do nothing towards suppressing Jalal's institutions. Now, the idea of innovation is a different type of innovation as the one that's forbidden, right? Changing the rules of the religion, requiring something that wasn't required, and forbidding something that wasn't forbidden, and changing the status of things, something being required when it was only recommended, and something recommended when it was only voluntary, or something that you couldn't do. And